up, you guys? What is up? I am back with another video yet again. Sorry it's taking me so long to get these videos out. I have been sick. I had the flu last week. I had all these plans. Like, I had a 3-day weekend from work, and I had all these plans to just get all these looks out, and I haven't been able to record. So I'm just glad that I am feeling better and coming back with these looks. But today we're using this Trendy in Tokyo palette by BH Cosmetics. So I think it's somewhat new of a palette. I love the beautiful color scheme. It is so pretty. I ended up using like a lot of colors. Like, I didn't plan on using a lot of colors. That's just the type of style that I have when it comes to makeup. Like, so let me know if I'm going too crazy sometimes, you guys. Let me know if you guys want to see those basic looks, because I can do those basic looks still. But I mean, who wants boring all the time? Who wants browns and nudes and stuff all the time? No, we don't. Not on this channel. So sis, if you like crazy colorful looks, then this is the place you want to be. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just continue to watch. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and don't forget to hit that good old notification bell, and that way it tells you when I upload a video, and it makes it so much more easier. So I hope you guys enjoy this look, and I will see you in my next one. Today we're going to be using the new, I think it's new, I don't know, but I just bought it. It's Trendy in Tokyo. It's from BH Cosmetics. I just thought it was so cute. I got it from Ulta the other day. So freaking cute. Look at all those colors. So we're just gonna pretty much freestyle and just have fun with the colors. So I'm gonna go in with this color right here. So I'm just gonna build in that color, build up that color, and then blend it out. Okay. So I went in with that purple, and that was this color in the corner. And then I think I'm gonna go in with, I'm just gonna go in with one color in my crease. So I'm just gonna take a makeup wipe I'm gonna go in with a little tiny brush to cut my crease, and that's gonna be, I think it's this one. And then I'm gonna just take my Plouise base, and I think I'm gonna use the white one just so the colors will pop more. And with this green color right here.
Ooh. This green poppin'.
This color in the corner right here, this blue. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna blend in those two colors. This color is called Fortune, by the way. BH Cosmetics did their thing. I haven't used BH Cosmetics in so long, like. This like peachy orangey color. Use this like soft pink color. Okay, so I'm using my new lashes. Make sure you're putting on mascara before you put on your lashes. This is like, I'm telling you, this is like a big thing. And I used to not do it. And like, I don't know why I didn't used to do it, but I guess I just didn't think it was necessary. But when I tell you, by all means, it is necessary that you put on mascara. Now, the mascara that you choose to use, sis, I mean, you could use whatever mascara you want to, but I'm really liking this Fenty Beauty one. It is really, it really gets me, even when I'm not wearing lashes, because I don't wear lashes every day. I only wear them when I do my looks or when I go out. This mascara gets me nice, full, black lashes.
Sorry y'all, I'm eating apples.
I used my lashes in Nightlife.
They're so bomb. I feel like I said, a freaking majestic bird.
Now I'm gonna just take, I'm gonna go into one of my contour kits and I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna take this light color right here. Just take, I'm gonna do this fluffy brush today. We'll just dip into that color and I'm gonna just go in the top. It kind of like diffuses that purple just a little bit and just blends the two together so it's not so like crazy harsh. Then after that, I'm going to go in. I also got, that I've been wanting to try, I got this new Juvia's Place foundation and I got the concealer as well. So I kind of just eyeballed it, y'all, so we might or we might not be using the Juvia's Place. Ooh, girl, sorry. We might or we might not be using the Juvia's Place because I don't know if I color match myself well enough. Let's see. Okay. It doesn't look bad. We did good. We did good. Okay, so now, so this was the color 440 Savanna. So I did good. That we got a good color and concealer. I'm thinking of a lighter color maybe for my concealer. I feel like, I don't know, it's just so thick, like, okay, so it looks okay, but I don't think I like the concealer. I need a new contour kit, y'all, but we're gonna be using this dark brown color.
It smells good.
I'm gonna just go in with that purple underneath here. And then I'm gonna take some white eyeliner because I want my eyes to look more open. So I'm gonna just take some white. I went, got dressed, showered, and all that. So I want to finish the lip. I don't know if we should do like a purple lip or like this light pink lip, but I'm really kind of feeling this light pink lip, so let's try it. This is NYX Respect the Pink.